Nandito tayo sa may custom thread sa may Don Antonio. Inimbita ako ni Bengsing. Nakailan. Nandun na. Diyan. Hey, man. Dami vlogger. Kasama natin si Eric ngayon and may couple of questions lang ako para kasi napansin namin parang nag-expand yung idea from textile printing lang to a lot of things like itong tinitignan natin may green screen sila and parang they're trying to make it 360 sa lahat ng mga nangyayari. Parang yung production line mas nagiging kompleto. If you think about it, kapag may na-print, diretso ka na sa green screen for promotions, kompleto. And after that, if you want to celebrate, you have a fucking bar. And kasama natin si Brother Eric ng Custom Threads Incorporated. Custom Threads, sir. Custom Threads Incorporated. Bakit ang wide ng vision?
Okay. Idol, basically, we started talaga, ako lang mag-isa. 12 years ago, so college ako lang. Parang iniisip ko, what can I do to begin with? Like, pinag-iisipan ko, I went to UANP. So parang part of my curriculum was to put up a business before graduating.
Okay.
So I had to really put up something before graduating. Create a business plan, implement it, make it profitable. So yun yung requirement back before mag-graduate, right? So inisip ko, tatlo. Parang food, shelter, or clothing. So yung food, inisip ko parang ang taas ng mortality rate. Parang gawa ka ng pagkain, gawa ka ng stall, pero medyo maliit lang yung range niya. Shelter naman, malaki yung capital. So I said, okay, I'm gonna do clothing. So with my contacts, sabi ko, paggawa ka ng shirt sa akin, paggawa ko sa iba. Right? So I started a company, basically buy and sell. Paggawa ka sa akin, outsource ko sa supplier, I provide the shirts. Kasi yun yung parang gap at that time.
At that time?
Yeah, at that time, this was 2007.
Holy shit. Kung iisipin ninyo, man, oo, grabe yun.
So at that time, nagkaroon ako ng big break by investing lahat ng kinita ko by hustling, literally contacts, and putting everything to a website. So at that time, name namin was C Fashion Enterprise pa.
Ano ulit, sorry?
C Fashion Enterprise. My last name is C Fashion Enterprise. Yun yung binigay ng DTI. Nag-register ako. Ayaw na yung mga custom at that time kasi sabi nila import daw. So anyway, we put up sfe.ph. It was a website. So 3 months after, walang bumibili. And then I learned about SEO, internet marketing. And then when people search custom t-shirts, custom jackets, kami lumalabas. Whoa. So that's the time when I got really serious corporate clients. And then ang ginawa ko, trading pa rin. I created the service part. Nagkaroon ako ng ahente, creatives, purchasing officers and everything. I put up a small office basically. Lima lang kami nun, talagang hustle pa rin. And then eventually nagkaroon ng small factory and then we moved here. So, bakit wide? Iisip na lang namin na parang, okay, why do we actually exist? So parang, bakit ba natin ginagawa ito, right? So parang, sabi ko, mahilig ako sa music, may banda ako dati, pero fanboy ako nun, bro, sorry. Pero I have to say lang, pero, Queso days, Chico Say, mga those days, right? So parang sabi ko, okay, I wanna associate the brand, kasi our brand is your brand. kung ano yung brand ng mga teams, ng mga kumpanya, yun yung brand namin. Hindi kami clothing brand na parang, alam mo na, yung may brand na sinusuot ng mga tao. Yung brand namin mostly from teams na ginagawa. So, sabi ko, we'll put up a bar, we'll put up a music studio. So, basically, community talaga. So, to answer directly your question is, bakit wide? It's more on, I enjoyed being with people. I enjoyed the belief of really making it happen by believing, by really making things happen. Kasi we went through a lot, bro. Like, we started really with really nothing. We grew the business. Umabot kaming 160 employees. Nawala rin kami. Na-wash out kami. Almost people said we're gonna shut down. And then nabuhay kami. Just so happened para kami ipis. So nung nabuhay kami, okay, sabi ko, it's time. We're gonna do this the right way. We're gonna not do this for the money. We're gonna do this really for like, really sharing to everyone our space, sharing to everyone our resources that this is why we exist. We exist because we believe. So, anyone, whether artists, comedians, entrepreneurs, or anybody else who believe, you're welcome in our space. That's why right now, medyo, we're more of a creative space.
Creative space it is. So, kung makikita ninyo, and yung vision nagma-manifest na siya sa modern age ngayon, and sa lahat ng nakakakita ngayon, you've seen it, you heard it, papakita namin, and I believe this is not the last of it. So, makikita pa rin natin sila because this is just the start. And maganda yung vision, maganda yung intention. So, similar sa lahat ng mga ginagawa ng lahat ng mga artists and businessman na lahat ng pwedeng ginagawa nila sa kanya-kanyang ilk and yung niche na ginagawa natin ngayon. Sa lahat na nakakakita, paikutin nyo yung mga isip ninyo, pinakikita nyo lahat ng mga pinapakita namin kasi dyan nagbubukas din. Malay ninyo, meron kayong maisip na idea. So, isang maliit lang na idea na wala pang naniniwala, hindi na natin kailangan nyo kung sino yung mga hindi pa naniniwala. Maniwala ka muna sa sarili mo. And isa si Eric yung sa mga sinasabi niya, ang lapit lang ng lahat ng sinasabi niya sa mga naisip ko din. So, there you go, man. Ikutin natin ang 362 mamaya, and then, this is another episode of this, whatever you call it, and we'll see you next time.
Essentially, medyo magulo, but
Hindi siya magulo actually.
so everything happens here, like from sales, marketing, tech, operations. Yeah, so that's my office, and basically office work, paperwork, lahat dito nangyayari.
Nice.
And then I'll show you the story of the company siguro.
Sige. Oh, wow.
This one is the direct-to-garment machine printer. So we got this from Israel. Essentially, the concept is you take a selfie from your phone, you send it to the machine,
Okay.
you put in the shirt, you print. 200 shirts per hour, unlimited colors.
Wow.
Gradient. And we got this dryer from UK. You put in the shirt after tapos na siya. Yeah. So we're the third company to have this in the Philippines, if I'm not mistaken. So right now it's offline, but we're going to up this soon. And pretty much we're going to open this to the public right again because we had some restructuring done for the company to be very transparent. No? Medyo it's very costly to operate, so we need to hit a certain volume to be able to sustain the machine.
Baka next time maisip nila meron na rin silang pamprint ng skateboard decks.
Tapos pare, stickers kaya. This one, the brother machine, can print on shoes.
Oh!
So this one is from Japan naman. Yeah, we're distributing it also in the Philippines. So if you have some ideas, we can,
Meron na.
explore. And bro, and then of course the embroidery. We can do caps. We can do also on sneakers and other stuff.
thoughts ako. Kasi naniniwala ako dun sa mga taong nagsasabi ng mga ganyan dahil they've been through a lot. Ngayon alam ko na hindi ako nag-iisa. Nakikita nyo to? We believe. Custom Thread. Manifest. Yep! Salamat nga pala kay Bengs at inibitahan niya ako rito. Medyo naluwanagan ako na niisip ko parang hindi pala rin ako nag-iisa doon sa mga nangyari sa buhay ko, sa mga storya. Iba't ibang facets of life. Pero minsan pag nagkaroon ka ng isang direct vision na may gusto ka mag-manifest, pag pare-pareho yung ingredients ng pinagagawa mo sa buhay, I think ma-attain mo sa kung ano man ang span ng oras na yon. Pero nung kinausap ko si Eric, nakita ko yung sarili ko sa kanya sa ilang mga puntos. So yun, tulungan natin yung kultura. And maraming salamat kay Bengs kasi kinukumbinsin niya ako nung isang beses pa binibenta niya talaga doon.
Nasayangan kasi ako ganda ng place.
No, totoo naman. And yung intention, kahit saan ka magpunta, kahit ano pang lugar ang mas masagap mo at anong klaseng frequency, kung meron kang ganong intention, I think magmamanifest talaga siya dahil nandun yung drive, and yung drive na yun,
Yung gigil nandun.
oo, yung gigil. Speaking of gigil, may lalabas na bagong recording ang Vi. Pwede na ba natin sabihin?
Gigil na gigil yan.
Gigil na gigil? Yun yung title, but di ba?
Juggernaut.
Oh, yung Juggernaut. Kung matatandaan ninyo, may pinost ako, puntahan nyo dun sa channel, hanapin nyo yung Juggernaut ng Vi na first taste na napanood natin sila sa Route 196. Tignan ninyo. And I'm telling you, iba rin sa recording kasi gumamit din sila ng iba't ibang klase mga tono. So, yeah, abangan natin yon. And Bengs, fuck you for selling this shit. So wonderful. And it is another episode of Whatever. Whoop whoop.